All right, everyone, I have all of the documents in my hand, so I'm going to flip the camera around and show all of this to you so you can actually have a good view of everything. So let's do that and go through them pretty quickly for you all. All right, everyone, let's get straight to business. No pun intended. All right, so as you can see, the first line on this page, which is the first page in the envelope, your new Ink Business Cash card has arrived. So you can see my $7,000 credit line. And then there is a number on the side and a website to verify that you have received your card. Once I open this up, the card will be right not here. What happened to it? Okay, of course, I moved it. There's tape everywhere, I know. So I had to move it and I couldn't stick the card back. So every time I tried this one, it just fell down and you couldn't see it. So I will bring the card into frame here. So here we go. We have the Ink Business Cash. And as you can see, the gray on camera and in person is different than the gray that we see on the website and on their printed documents. So I'll show this in comparison to one of their printed documents later. But I actually like this gray in person. It's more of a cool gray color than that dull gray that's seen online. And then the letters for ink, they're written in like a chrome accent or a chrome color, same as Visa signature. And as you can see, I did get my name on there as CJ for the business. And of course, in typical Chase fashion, the numbers are raised. So are all of the characters for my business name and my other business name on the card. Actually, I think this is my full name. I can't even remember. This is my full name and then this is my business name on the card. Either way, it's raised and I kind of don't like that. I wish they kept it all nice and clean and just had the numbers and characters printed on the back of the card. But either way, I think it's cool. And it says business cash on the top and that looks like it's just written in white ink. And I can feel it a little bit here and Chase logo. Let's flip it around. Nothing special in the back. You would have your 3-digit code in the back here. And of course, I have to cover everything up because again, those numbers are raised so you can see all the impressions for all of the characters in the back of the card. But you have some phone numbers that are important and a website if you need any help. So credit card out of the way, let's just go through the documents very quickly. All right, guys. Hey, everybody. Yes, I am a little close. I forgot to mention that this credit card is a plastic credit card. So let me hold it a little closer. And we got to show how much it flexes since it is a plastic credit card. So there, we're not going to do a drop test because it's plastic. It is not going to sound like anything much except plastic hitting a hard surface. But I just wanted to get that in there because I totally forgot to mention it while I was recording everything. Anyway, back to the video. And we can see here, they have right here on the first page, business transactions only. Like thou shalt not use it for personal, family, or household purposes. So basically, I do intend to use this card for my business purposes only, but either way, I do know that there are people out there who do mix their expenses. I don't plan on doing that. So you can do as you please. Just note that you're not supposed to use it for personal expenses. All right, turning it around, we have standard information about your credit report and what JP Morgan Chase has done with your credit report and if there are any mistakes, etc. We're not going to go through all of that in today's video because there's no need for that. You can't even see the card really and maybe what's in the envelope. So we have a pamphlet here on cashback for your business everyday purchase. Oh, I can't read apparently. Cashback for your business every purchase every day. Welcome to Ink Business Cash. And see what I was saying here? The ink cash printed on the pamphlet is different. That gray color is completely different than the actual physical card. And I am very happy for it. In fact, it actually looks a little different. The ink is smaller than what they actually show on the website. Anyway, whatever. So you guys, you can see the difference there. And of course, this goes over, if I'm remembering correctly, some of the reward and benefits and features of the card. So I'll flip through a couple of pages here for you all, but I'm not going to spend too much time on this because I want this video to be as short as possible. So if you do want to read any of these pages, hopefully you can see it. I know there's a little bit of glare, but you can pause the video to read it and see the information because that's a little bit boring. Here is your business card agreement and has information like arbitration and other things that you need to be aware of. Moving along, what is this page here? I don't remember. Hold on one second. Oh, the dreaded interest rate and the fees. So basically 0% APR for the first 12 months. And then after that, it will increase to 21.49%, which most likely will be higher because we do know that the Feds are continuing to increase the Federal Reserve rate. And it is rumored to go up by another 0.25% next month in March. So we will see if that happens. But that's what this page is all about. Flipping it over. Oops, the page is blank. And what is this here? We have, what does Chase do with your personal information, etc. Just some more basic stuff, I guess, that they have to tell you about. But we are going to go over all of that. Flipping this over. All right. Yeah, we get the gist of it. So we'll move along. And then the guide to benefits. And this one is a little thicker, so I'm not really going to go in through flipping pages on this, but it just breaks down more of your benefits and gives you much more information that you probably will never read, but you should read anyway. Anyway, guys, let's flip the camera around and close out the video. All right, guys, that was a very quick unboxing video for you all. If you haven't seen me apply for the Chase Inc. Business Cash, be sure to watch this video next. As always, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Come on over and get your high five.
Yeah, I just stack it up and save. Never be a day I blow 100 for a chain. No.